Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest stock analysis and financial insights. Today, we are diving deep into Verizon Communications, a powerhouse in the telecom and technology sectors. Verizon is a powerhouse in the telecom and technology sectors, providing essential wireless and wireline services, AI-driven solutions, and streaming products. The company serves a wide range of customers from individual consumers to business and governments, with offerings like mobile networks, fixed wireless, broadband, and cloud services. One of the most exciting developments for Verizon is its investments in 5G, fiber connectivity, and edge computing. These innovations are positioning Verizon as a key enabler of AI solutions across multiple industries. With AI expected to revolutionize sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, and finance, Verizon's robust infrastructure and partnership with Google Cloud and Nvidia make it well positioned for long-term growth. Verizon has also made great strides in improving its financial health. The company has successfully reduced its total debt to $117.9 billion, a significant step in reducing a financial risk and improving its balance sheet. This solid debt management gives Verizon the flexibility to continue investing in future growth opportunities and new technologies. In terms of performance, Verizon has been delivering solid results. In the fourth quarter of 2024, they added nearly 1 million subscribers, marking their best quarterly results in over a decade. Their wireless services revenue hit an impressive $20 billion, further solidifying their position as a leader in the telecom space. The company is currently trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of 9.58x, which is quite attractive compared to its peers. Additionally, Verizon offers a dividend yield of 6.51%, which is great compared option for income-focused investors. With a price-to-book of 1.87x, Verizon is trading at a reasonable multiple relative to book value, suggesting solid value. Verizon is facing key resistance levels at 50.62 and 51.09. But with upside momentum currently in play, we expect Verizon to have 13% to 15% upside potential, making it an appealing investment in the short to medium term. What do you think of their growth prospects? Are you considering adding Verizon to your portfolio? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest updates on stocks, financial news and more. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.